Question number 4. In the same year, August 2022, the question reads, explain the following terms used in a set theory: union of a set, intersection of a set, complement of a set. That is for part A, and part B have some definitions that we need to write as such. Now, what is a union of a set under the set theory? You can say that a union of set, it's a set containing elements. We write it here. It is a set containing elements present in both A, present in both element A and B, respectively. A resultant new set that is containing all the elements present present in A, in both sets, or in A and B, both sets. For example, we can have set A, e.g., we have set A which has A, B, G, J, K. That is one set. And then we have set B, which has H, T, K, G. Now, if you look in, we realize that K is in set A and K again is appearing in set B. Now, a union of a set will be in this case will be A, B, G, J, K, H, T. Now that is a union of a set. It's comprising K, which was in both A and B. Then we have intersection of a set. Intersection of a set, we have it's a set of elements, which are common to a given set. They are common to a given set. In this case, we use this particular symbol to represent a union of a set, which denotes an intersection. For example, you can have that particular set intersecting at a particular point. In that case, we are going to use that particular set. For example, you can say that X and Y, X has this particular set 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, and then Y has the 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now you realize that this particular point 2 to 4 also it has under set of Y, 2, 4, meaning they're intersecting at that particular point. Now finally we can have, then we have this particular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the section of a set, we are going to put it in this manner, or the resulting figure, whereby x, y, we are going to have 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. That is an intersection of a set. Then lastly, we have what we call complement of a set. Complement of a set, or a set that complements each other. You can say that it's a set that contains, it is a set that contains the elements present in the universal sets. But not a set A. For example, let me illustrate this. For example, we have set which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And set A, which is 4, 6, 8. And then complement of a set. Then complement of a set will be 2, 10, 12. 2, 10, 12. Meaning this one and this one, they are appearing there, but complement, we are not indicating what is in a particular set. Correct. Now part B, distinguish between the following rules. The following terms, we have additive rule and multiplicative rule as used in probability, then permutations and combinations as used in counting techniques. Let's start with the additive rule, or adding. In short, just the rule of adding the matrix, the probability. We said this rule, additive, is additional rule. Additional rule for non-mutually exclusive events, and mutually exclusive events, which, for example, you can have the probability of A or probability of B, which can be presented as the probability of A when added to the probability of B minus P into A and B. While the rule of multiplications, for dependent variables or dependent variables of event is presented, for example, B of A, and B, in that case, it is given as the probability of A multiplied by the probability in that order. That's the difference between additive and that multiplicative rule as used. This one we are adding. The key thing is we are adding, while this one we are multiplying the matrix. And then Roman 2, the permutation and combination of a set, used in counting technique. Permutation relates to the act of arranging all members of a set into same sequence or order, while combination is a way of selecting items from collections such that the order of selection does not matter, such that the order of selection does not matter. Full stop. Yes, that is just a difference or distinction between the two. Then question last on that part. In a recent survey was carried out on the type of 3 fashionable hairstyles most preferred by ladies in Nairobi County, have chemical use, braiding, and haircut. The survey that included 470 respondents revealed the following: 200 ladies use chemical, 280 ladies use braiding, 190 ladies prefer haircut, 90 preferred chemical use and braiding, 70 ladies preferred chemical use and haircut, 120 ladies preferred braiding and haircut, and 30 ladies preferred all the 3 styles. Roman number 1 represents the above information in a Venn diagram. Roman 2, select the number of ladies who preferred none of the above hairstyles, then the number of ladies who preferred only one type of hairstyle, and then lastly, the number of ladies who preferred at least 2. Now, let's present this information in a Venn diagram. Very quickly, get formats. We can draw our Venn diagram in this manner. Okay, we draw 3 zeros that interjoin, or circles that interjoin together. Now, the population they responded were 470. 470. Now we can have this one to be chemical. This one used the braiding. And then this one used haircut. 200 were using chemical, 200. Braiding we had 280. Haircut, we are told that they were 190. Those who preferred the three products, they were 30. We put 30 at this middle point. The 90 ladies preferred chemical and trading. Now 90 minus 30, we get 60. That is 90 minus 30. That preferred all. Have 60. Then we have a 70 preferred chemical and haircut. Chemical and haircut, we have 70. That is 70 minus 30, we have 40. We have 40 here. And then 120 ladies preferred braiding and haircut. Braiding and haircut, we have 90. So 120 minus 30, we have 90. Now 90 at that point. Let's try to determine those who preferred only one hairstyle. Let's go for chemicals. Chemicals, I'm going to use that is 200. I less, that is 60. This one plus 30 plus 40, which is called 200 minus this plus that is 100, 130, which is 70. Now 70 preferred only chemical. What about braiding? Braiding, we have is going to be 280 minus into is going to be 60 plus 90 plus 30 plus 280 minus that is 180. Have 100 preferred braiding only. Then haircut, we are having 190. We minus that is 40, but it has to be in bracket, plus 30 plus 90. This plus that is 70 plus pattern, that is 160, which is equal to 30. 30 ladies preferred haircut. Now, the number of ladies who preferred none of the above, we take 490, 470 rather, minus, we are getting 70 plus 60 plus 100 plus 30 plus 90 plus 30 plus 40, that is 470 minus, let's see the total what we get. That is 70, we have 60 plus 100 plus 30 plus 90 plus 30 plus 40, 420, 470 minus 420, you get 50. Now 50 ladies didn't use any of the above hairstyles. At Roman 3, the number of ladies who preferred only one type of hairstyle. Now you can have those who preferred chemical, braiding, and those who preferred haircut. Chemical was 70, braiding were 100, haircut were 30. The total we have 200 ladies preferred all the three haircut only one type. Then the number of ladies preferred at least two type of haircut. Now we are having that is 60 preferred chemical and braiding, plus 90 preferred breeding haircut, 40 preferred haircut, and then chemical, and then 30 used all. This plus this one you have 150, 180, that's 210. 210 ladies preferred at least 2 type of hair styles.